I be sipping that Grandma Ye and Hennessy every day. Got a mouthpiece like Cassius Clay, longevity like Ryan Isley. P-I-M-P-I-N-G like my boat Kenny Ivory. Never sold a start in the game. I play with these female brains. Pay me or pay me no attention, give me my change. I'm banked up, them haters, them suckers be throwing tantrums. This summer they gon' really be out when they see me in my fans. Sick with it, sick with the flip with it. It don't stop, call me the turf commentator. Your neighborhood's Louis Scott, cause all I talk about is the block and pushing them upper rocks. And ducking Johnny Law and them trying to outsmart the cops. On the set, never running out of lingo. Throw they water right back at them with another singer. Money longer than the neck on a flamingo. 20,000 on the bed in a casino. I got a partner on parole that just got out of Chino. Not a rookie but a vet, like Dan Marino. My favorite actor on the set, Al Pacino. This is a heater man, hot like Alabino. 40 from California, here in the East.
Like sandwiches. If a bullet's a miss it, let me tell you what you'd have felt from a second shot and not miss it. Turn your shit to a tuna mouth. Better call your crew to help, nigga. Go ahead and shoot yourself. Cause in a second you ain't getting a choice. Shook up niggas cringe when they witness the sound of my voice. And I'm saying, I hit the street just like an ace in the hole. Allez, allez, allez. C'est bon.